Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to source for honest reviews and recommendations. Today, we've got something special for all you fitness enthusiasts out there: the Muscle Milk Pro Advanced Nutrition Protein Shake in Knockout Chocolate. If you're looking for the best chocolate milk for muscle recovery, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll dive deep into what makes this protein shake stand out, so stay tuned. Let's kick things off by giving you a quick overview of this Muscle Milk Pro Advanced Nutrition Protein Shake. It's not your ordinary chocolate milk, folks. This is specially designed to help you recover after a tough workout and build those muscles. This product comes in a convenient 12-pack of 14 fluid ounces bottles, each packing a whopping 40 grams of protein per bottle. But that's not all. It's also got just 1 gram of sugar, 16 essential vitamins and minerals, and 6 grams of fiber. Plus, it's gluten-free and kosher, making it suitable for various dietary preferences. Now, let's delve into the key features that make this Muscle Milk Pro Advanced Nutrition Protein Shake a must-try. First off, this protein shake is a hunger-satisfying powerhouse. It's perfect as a post-workout recovery drink, a muscle-building supplement, or even a quick snack between meals. Looking at the nutritional breakdown, you'll find that each shake contains 32 grams of protein, which is essential for muscle growth and maintenance. Plus, it's low in sugar and high in fiber, helping you stay satisfied and energized. And the best part? It tastes fantastic. The knockout chocolate flavor is smooth and delicious. You can enjoy it as is, or get creative by adding it to your coffee, oatmeal, pancakes, smoothies, and more. Now, let's talk about the science behind the protein in this Muscle Milk Pro Advanced Nutrition Shake. It provides a combination of slow-releasing and fast-releasing proteins. These proteins help increase amino acid levels in your body, which are crucial for muscle growth and maintenance. The strategic blend of proteins ensures that your muscles get the support they need when they need it most. That's a wrap for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more insightful reviews and product recommendations. Thanks for joining us, and until next time, stay fit and stay healthy. This has been Product Critique. See you in the next one.